JYD, the Junkyard Dog. Relive the electric memories with a heart-pounding cheer for our beloved Junkyard Dog. Share this video if he was your ultimate wrestling hero. During Black History Month, my friends and I reminisced about the legend Junkyard Dog. JYD was a powerhouse who shattered race barriers and bridged hearts. Growing up as a white kid in southern Louisiana, I saw no color, only my hero. And it wasn't just me. My great-grandmother adored him too. I cherish memories of sitting with my big mama, hearing her lovingly call him Le Petit Chien, French for the little dog. Nothing brought her more joy than JYD's energetic presence. In an era of high racial tension in the early 1980s, Junkyard Dog erased those lines for my family. He taught us that it was perfectly okay to love someone who was different. The Junkyard Dog wasn't just a wrestler, he was a beacon of unity and strength. His infectious energy transcended the wrestling ring, bringing joy and inspiration to countless fans. Let's celebrate his legacy and share our favorite JYD memories. What's your fondest memory of the Junkyard Dog? Here's to the legend who showed us that heroes come in all colors and from all walks of life.